हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। आज के वीडियो में हम यूज़ करेंगे आइवरी शीट अगेन एंड आफ्टर मेकिंग बॉर्डर्स ऑल द फोर साइड्स आई एम यूजिंग माय फोर फिंगर्स टू क्रिएट अ गैप एंड हियर आफ्टर मेकिंग दैट डैश हम यहाँ बनाएंगे एक स्लिपिंग लाइन एंड लाइंस की एग्जैक्टली अबव वी विल ड्रॉ क्यूट क्लाउड्स एंड क्लाउड्स मेक श्योर आप क्लाउड्स को भी राइट हैंड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से इक्वल रखो गैप and so that our clouds will be in the center from both the sides. And after making the clouds we will use a compass, and for using compass we can take our parents or our elder ones help for drawing with the compass. And we need to make how many lines, can you tell me? We are making a rainbow scenery here, and in this rainbow or in any rainbow we always make 7 lines. So here also we will draw 7 lines, or you can say 8 lines with 7 columns. Okay, you can count them one by one. एंड आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दैट आई हैव रियलाइज्ड कि मेरे क्लाउड्स जो हैं जो हमने ड्रॉ किए हैं वो थोड़े छोटे हैं. सो वी विल एक्सटेंड देम बाय रेजिंग एंड ड्रॉइंग देम अगेन, and we can do both the sides same way so that our rainbow will be in the center of both the clouds. And make sure you count all the lines. There should be 7 lines, or you can say 8 lines but 7 columns. Here I am drawing ground, and ground I am drawing 2 fingers below the center line we have taken, and a house I am making over here. It will be a simple house by making a V triangle shape and 2 sleeping lines, again a parallel line to the triangle and 2 standing lines and another third standing line. And here we will make a rectangle as we have done in the lines video, if you have seen that, how to make a house with the help of lines. And here again we will draw 4 lines and create a rectangle window. And here I am drawing some beautiful flowers. You can draw any flower of your choice or the way you like to draw flowers. I am drawing here 2 types of flowers. One is simple, the round one, and the second is like a tulip. And for making our scenery more beautiful and symmetrical, we need to draw the same type of flowers in the left hand side also. In this I have drawn first the circle so that you can draw your flower easily, and another flower will be again a tulip. And थोड़ी सी और खूबसूरती ऐड करने के लिए here I am drawing a beautiful little butterfly. First we will make the center and then 2 heart shapes both the sides, and here I am drawing a semicircle for our sun. Here we are drawing a sun hiding behind our rainbow, and I'm making some spikes rays. And जैसे हमने पहले ड्रॉ किए हैं हमारी ड्राइंग्स में, वैसे मैं ड्रॉ नहीं कर रही सन, थोड़ा डिफरेंटली. वी आर मेकिंग सम स्पाइक्स फॉर सन रेज एंड आई एम एडिंग आईज एंड वन मोर क्लाउड इन द लेफ्ट एरिया, क्योंकि ये मुझे बहुत ही खाली लग रहा था. सो आई हैव एडेड अ क्लाउड ओवर हियर. एंड फॉर मेकिंग आवर ड्राइंग मोर ड्रामेटिक and more pretty, I'm adding some rains falling from the clouds. So you can add this, and now I'm going to outline each and everything with our sketch pen. You can use here your black sketch pen, a black marker. Try to avoid permanent markers. And after erasing all the pencil work, we will be using our DOMS crayons. This is the time where I'm gonna teach you how can we remember all the 7 colors of rainbow by writing Vib Gyor. So you can always write it on the side, and we will start from the bottom. R will be red and we will be putting it at the top of our rainbow drawing. Again next will be orange from O. Y will be yellow. Can you tell me the G? Yes, it will be green. And next will be B for blue. Can you tell me the I? You can write in the comments if you know. Yes, it's a indigo. And here we will put indigo, and next will be V for violet. If you have seen my primary colors and secondary colors video, you will be know all the colors. And here we will put all these colors in the complete line of a rainbow. And make sure your coloring should be neat and clean. Your color should be not going out of your drawing, and there should be no white sheet visible when you color your drawing. And this is a new way I'm teaching you here, how to color a cloud in a very effective way so that it will look white and blue both. We leave it from the center white and only outline the outer part with the blue color. In the clouds I have used normal blue, and in this raindrops I have used the dark blue. In the sun we will put the face part will be yellow and the rays part will be orange. You can use any orange in this and create a effect of dark and light yellow and orange. And in the house I'm putting yellow. You can put your favorite colors in your house drawing, and here I'm putting yellow, as you can see over here. In the roof we will put maroon color. You can put maroon, dark pink, red. It will look beautiful when we put dark color in the roof and light color in the walls. And in the window wall you can put your favorite color again, and the light pink, beautiful pink color I'm putting in flowers. You can put your favorite colors again, I'm saying that, and let's just do it. After doing the coloring in the flowers, I'm putting dark green color in the leaves, and I'm outlining my grass upper part with the dark green color. Why? So we can create a dark and light effect with the simple crayons also, and it's a very easy technique to create that. And make sure you do it very neatly and no color should be going out of our drawing. And after outlining I'm going to use light green color in the left leaves and in the whole grass. Let's just finish our drawing. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for watching more videos like this. And I'm gonna share with you all the classes from 1 to 8 art lessons, including drawings, interesting paintings, craft, and many more interesting activities. So thank you everyone for watching the video. Have a good day.